13 is considered an unlucky number. What's your subjective opinion on that? Has someone ever asked your objective opinion or said that something is entirely subjective? Hello everyone, this is Milu and Sojan from Access Language School and I am here to discuss about subjective and objective. The words subjective and objective are used in all kinds of contexts, from journalism to science to grammar, and they are often discussed as opposites. But what do they actually mean? In most cases, it comes down to whether something is based on personal experience or on a provable facts. But it can get confusing. An opinion or viewpoint can be said to be objective or subjective depending on how it was formed. We are here to clear all that up by explaining what each word means and how each should be used. Okay, moving to the first one, subjective. Subjective most commonly means based on the personal experience or preferences of a person, the subject who is observing something. In contrast, objective most commonly means not influenced by or based on a personal viewpoint, based on the analysis of an object or observation only. Moving forward, in most of its common uses, objective is contrasted with subjective, often as it is the opposite. Objective most commonly means not influenced by an individual's personal viewpoint, unbiased, or at least attempting to be unbiased. It's often used to describe things like observations, decisions, or reports that are based on an unbiased analysis. So I hope you are clear with subjective and objective. Thank you so much for your support.